Checking your water meter regularly for consumption thresholds is an efficient way to monitor your consumption and check for leaks. A sudden spike in consumption could mean that you've sprung a leak. Leaks waste an unnecessarily large amount of water, which can result in high bills. They should be seen to as quickly as possible. A good way of finding past water consumption thresholds is by visiting www.wsc.com.mt and pressing View Live Map. You can register or log in with your EID. Then press Show My Water Consumption. This section shows you your monthly, weekly, and even your hourly water consumption. If the graph shows a constant level of water consumption even at night, then you definitely have a leak somewhere. Another way of checking for a leak is by taking a water meter reading at night before you go to bed. The next morning, check it again. If there's a significant difference, then that means that there was a leak during the night and water was wasted. Also, as part of the Water Services Corporation's strategy to curb potential water loss through regular automated monitoring, customers with abnormal water consumption are being alerted via SMS or a letter and advised to take immediate action. The most common cause of sudden high water consumption rates is a leaking flushing. Push-button cisterns tend to overflow into the bowl. These leaks are not easy to spot, so they can waste a lot of water. To check, put some food coloring in your cistern. If colored water leaks into your bowl, then you have a leak. Any dripping taps or shower heads should be seen to right away. Is your water heater constantly active? This could mean that there's a leak in your hot water piping system. Check your kitchen faucet too, and remember external taps on terraces or in your garden. Also, check your overflow from your water tank. Is water dripping out of your overflow pipes? Should your float valve be adjusted or changed? If you're unsure about how to check your overflow or float valve, please visit www.water.org.mt/audit and book an appointment with one of our house visits teams. You can also have a look behind your dishwasher and washing machine. Any obvious signs of a leak? In this case, we suggest that you engage a private plumber who's capable of repairing that leak. If the problems are in your home plumbing, your toilet system, water pipes or taps, then this is the job of your private plumber. Certain plumbers even use dedicated specialized leak thermal detection systems. The first step towards water conservation is eliminating waste. It's unnecessary and shouldn't happen. Keep an eye out and make changes where necessary. Water. Be the change.
This project is part-financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.